So today we will see some of the important interview questions. First topic is promises. We'll discuss all about promises in JavaScript. So let us just create a button like to call a function. Let's create a function in here, and we will create one more function where we will declare a promise. We'll return a promise from here. So let's call that function in here. When we pass the true, it will just execute resolve. If we pass it as false, it will reject the promise. So we'll just add a catch block in here. Now we just need to add that line. So let's execute this. So we are able to run the resolve in here. Similarly, if we pass it as false, we will be able to run the reject one. So we'll see what are the types of promises we can call. So for that we will just create 2-3 functions where we will just introduce some amount of asynchronity in it. So for that let's use dot all to start from, and we will call the first promise with true. So now when we execute it, after all of the promises are done, then only the output will be seen. Similarly, if we change it to defer, okay, we don't have anything called defer. So if we change it to race, when we execute, only if one output is done, so like we will be able to see the output. If one promise is resolved, we will be able to see the output. Similarly, if we use all settled, all of the promises should be settled, then only the output will come up. Now let's see the generator functions, which is a new concept altogether in JavaScript. We'll just create a function. So generator function is basically we have a specific syntax for that. We can't declare as a normal function. We have somewhat different syntax for that. We usually include star in front of the function. So for now, let's see trying creating that yield inside the arrow function. Let's try executing this code. So we are getting error, so we need to change it to normal function, and then we need to add a star after the function. So now when we go to the console, when we try clicking on that, so we are able to like it will only be executed one by one. So dot next will be giving us the next values. So that is how the generator function works. So we will see the use case 2 now. So in this we'll try to build an iterator. So we have a specific syntax which we need to follow for that. So in here we will write a for loop, so where we are just taking this from this dot from, so it will be 1 initially, and this dot 2 will be 5, and we will just pass the yield, like we will return the yield. So now when we do console log, so the bracket was missing, so let's run this. So we are getting a iterative value. So now if you haven't subscribed or liked to the channel, please do. Now we'll see how the generator function can be used, other ways of using the generator function. So So there is something called return in the generator function where let us see how we can use that. So return usually when we use gen dot return of some string value, so after that everything will be written, so there will be undefined everywhere, so it gives done flag as true. So now let us see what is weak sets. So we'll just declare a function weak set implementation. In here we will just create a new weak set. So let's try seeing like when we call dot add of that object, when we console log it, let's try running this. Before that we need to call this function. Let's clear the console. So the object got added. So similarly now let's try adding a string. So we are getting an error for we are not able to add a string into this. So, and one more thing method is the delete. What it basically does, it deletes the object which got added into the weak set. Let's now see about weak maps. Similarly, like we will just create a function weak maps implementation. So there we'll be calling weak maps. Seems like it is not coming in another color. Actually, VS Code helps us while writing. There might be a syntax error in weak maps. I think it should be different. Yeah, it should be weak maps. Okay. So let's now try adding string values in the key. So the weak maps will be an object key value pairs kind of notation. So and now let's try doing create like using other methods as well. So we'll just add one more like one more string into this key, so it overrides all of it, and now it overrides actually, like we started with okay, and then when we add weak it is getting overwritten. So and now let's try deleting it. So now when we do console, you should be able to see the empty in here. Now let's see object destructuring. So this is one of the important topics. So for this, let's create a new arrow function. We'll give an insert function as defunc, and in here let's create an object which has first name, last name, and current age. So let's write an object destructuring for this. We'll just give a person. Now when we do console.log of f name, l name, and cur age, we should be getting whatever we declared in the object. Now let's call the function. So click on the object destructuring. So we are getting as we need. So now we will see how to pass a default value into the object destructuring. So for that, let's take one of the object keys. So it should let's take it as flag. So mm, so it should be flag is equal to true. So when we do console.log now, flag, you should be able to see true. Yeah. So this is how we use the default values in object destructuring. And now let's see how we can destructure an object which is nested object. So currently we will just declare a nested object. So we made a name, inside name we will be having f name and l name. So similarly we just need to include in the object destructuring. So now let's try to execute this. So we are able to nest inside an object and destructure it. So thanks for watching.